student. In this video, we will see the another practical that is based on Archimedes principle. The objective or aim of the practical is establish the loss in weight of solid, given solid, when immersed in. The two cases are here. One is tap water and another is strong salt solution. Here, when you mix the strong salt solution, then the density of the water increases. Now the theory part is, whenever an object is immersed in a liquid, partially or fully, that is completely or half, it experiences an upward force that is also known as upthrust. That upthrust is equal to the weight of the displaced liquid. Now, the apparent weight that appears when you put the solid in the water, that is the weight of the solid in air minus upthrust. Here, put special attention on the formula. How you calculate the weight of the solid, that is volume of the solid multiplied by density of the solid into acceleration due to gravity. In air it is. Now when you put this solid in water, you will experience an upthrust. That upthrust will be volume of the liquid, volume of the solid that is inside the liquid multiplied by the density of the liquid. Here I have multiplied it with density of the liquid and acceleration due to gravity. So it is mg minus m dash g, that is mass of the body in the liquid. Now we will perform the practical with the help of apparatus. Okay. Now some basic apparatus are there. Here it is the beaker, measuring cylinder it is. The range of the cylinder is from 10 to 100 ml. You can see it is from 10 to 100 ml. Between 10 to 20, here 10 divisions are there. And one division gives 1 milliliter. So the least count of this measuring cylinder is 1 milliliter. Remember, the question related to least count is always asked. So least count of this one is 1 milliliter. What is least count? The reading given by one smallest division is known as least count. Now what I have done, I have put some water inside it. This is the tap water. Salt is not mixed. Now the basic thing is that I have taken the weight of this one in air. This is the spring balance. It will give the weight in air. So here it is, you can see here it is 0 and it is on 9th division. So after 0.5 it is on 4th division. So reading in air is 0.9 Newton. Now what I will do, I will put this one inside the water, in the water. The initial level of the water, you can see the initial level of the water is, that is 82 ml. 82 ml is the initial level of the water. Yes, when we put it inside the water, this reading will change. Now this reading will become 0.8 Newton. Okay, initially it was 0.9 Newton in air, and when I put it inside the tap water, the reading becomes 0.8 Newton. Okay, so weight in air is 0.9. When we put the weight, put the solid in the water, it becomes 0.8. So what is the apparent weight? That is 0.8. Now we have to measure the upthrust. So you put this in this formula. That is apparent weight is equal to weight of the solid in air minus upthrust. So upthrust will become 0.9 minus 0.8, that is 0.1 Newton. Same sort of Practical will be performed with the salt solution. You know that density, when we mix the salt in water, the density increases. Now the upthrust will be more in that case. Okay, thank you.